Hey, so if Audacity is lagging or freezing on your PC, yeah, like it stutters, stops responding, or delays while recording or editing, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, close Audacity completely and reopen it. I mean, sometimes it just gets stuck from temporary glitches. Next, yeah, close unnecessary apps running in the background. I mean, low system resources can cause lag and freezing. Now, make sure your PC has enough storage space. I mean, low disk space can slow down audio processing. Yeah, try lowering the sample rate in Audacity settings. I mean, high quality settings can overload weaker systems. Now, real-time effects can cause freezing. Try turning them off while editing. Yeah, increasing buffer size can make playback smoother and reduce lag during recording. Now, outdated audio drivers can cause performance issues. Updating them can fix freezing problems. Yeah, corrupted settings can make Audacity unstable. Resetting preferences can fix lag issues fast. If nothing works, reinstall Audacity. This removes broken files and resets everything cleanly. So yeah, that's how you fix Audacity lagging or freezing on PC. Most of the time, it's system load, settings, or driver issues. Try these steps and everything should run smoothly again. Thanks for watching.